Hey everyone, welcome back to my tech tutorials. In this tutorial, we are going to solve this, the OBS recording failure. If you are experiencing this error, it's because the encoder you are currently using in OBS doesn't support your graphic card. So we need to change the encoder. To change the encoder, go to the OBS settings by clicking the settings button in the main controls. Once you are in the settings window, select the output menu. Here you can see two sections, namely streaming and recording. Change the encoder of both the sections to software 264. This can be done using the drop-down options. Once you have applied the settings, click OK. Now you can start recording without any errors. If you are still facing some problems in recording videos in OBS, please comment below. That's it. See you in the next tutorial.